Oh, there's a deer. 2 deer. As long as I have traction, I'm good. 3, a whole group. Hopefully you can see them. White-tailed deer. Deer tracks. Alright, so this dead ends. We'll continue on. Yeah, I've never ridden studded tires, but got these 3-inch 50mm rim with 3-inch Nard tires. It's almost fairy tale like here riding in the snow. I'd say about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, so it's some accumulation, but not too much. Very peaceful, pretty. Yeah, I find I just keep a steady pace. That's the secret. I don't want to do a quick like burst of energy because then I might lose traction, especially going uphill. Bike tire actually looks fatter than you think when you see it. See, I've always wanted to do a snow vlog. Never been skiing or snowboarding, but I can say I've ridden my bike in the snow. It's a bike ride I took the Pugsley at Valley Forge back in 2013. I feel like I just got to be almost like driving a car. You just got to take things a little bit slower. Don't brake too fast. Notice I didn't stop at that stop sign, but I'm only going about 6 or 7 miles an hour. As long as I don't wipe out. It's actually kind of fun. That's what life's all about. Okay. Got a big hill to the left. To the right, a little less of a hill. I don't want to make this video too long. Just feel like it started snowing, so I'm like, I gotta get out on my bike. Got out of work and gotta ride. I'm actually using the front and the rear brake. And this is my only bike. And it's a steel bike, so maybe I'm kind of stupid for taking it out in this. But we'll see. Just glad it's not too windy. Thankful for that. I don't have the balaclava on. I just got my gloves and my jacket. Regular socks. It's about 4:30 p.m. so got about another half hour of daylight. Pick up the pace a little bit. Got to be mindful of the camera lens. Forgot about it. Try to keep that clean. Definitely feel like I gotta motor through the snow a little bit. A little bit more resistance. More of a leg workout. And yeah, this isn't gonna be a real long video. I just kind of wanted to give a feel of the snow. This ride's not even going to be a half hour. Probably just do a few miles and head on back. Ride in the car tracks, go out of the tracks. A little bit more challenging. Not a quick ride. This January snowstorm. Late January snow. 2 more days left of January. Good thing about February is days get a little longer, even though it's still cold as a mother Hubbard. Kind of had to shift. I might go single speed with this bike, but there are times when it is nice to have that cassette in the back at 10 speed, 10 gears in the back. All right, thanks for watching.